Hey guys, it's Liam from Killer Ink, and today I'm going to be showing you the Zhangpo Grey Wash Shading Set from Kurosumi Imperial, so let's take a closer look. The Grey Wash Shading Set was created by Kurosumi in collaboration with Pro Team artist and brand manager Zhangpo, and is a reformulated and reimagined version of Po's previous set, with the addition of an extremely dark black and a highlight in white. This set joins Kurosumi's EU REACH compliant Imperial lineup and comprises the following inks: Hell Black, Devil Black, Sinner Grey, Saint Grey, Angel Grey and Heaven White. The Grey Wash Shading Set is inspired by the lights and shadows of New York City and has been designed by Po to allow artists to capture all of the contours of real life in their tattoos. World-renowned tattooist Po is known for his impeccable shading work, and he has formulated this set alongside Kurosumi to allow artists to achieve incredible levels of detail in their own pieces. All tattoo inks in the Kurosumi Imperial Zhangpo set are vegan friendly and manufactured from high quality organic materials, which results in flawless vibrant inks. The Grey Wash shading inks from Kurosumi Imperial and Zhangpo are available in 44ml bottles and can be ordered individually or as a complete set from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. So what are your thoughts on these Kurosumi Imperial tattoo inks? Will you be trying them out for your black and grey work? As always, let us know in the comments below, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.